What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back with another video.
Yes, we are, so don't go away and check with us right after this. So, for those of you who are out there who have fifth wheels, campers, travel trailers, motorhomes, I'm sure you have a basement area in your RV. Well, what we're going to do today is do a little bit of changing around inside of our basement. I'm going to make a little bit of room and show you a couple of things to get really organized inside of our basement. So, check it out. Alright, so I'm outside of Grace right now, and as we've shown you in one of our previous videos, we have an ample amount of storage space in our basement area. So what I want to do today is just organize it a little bit better, hang some things up, move some things to the side. So what I'm going to do real quick is grab my fast motion potion and get started. Alright, here we go. That took a lot out of me. Whew. All right, let's get started. Okay, now that the basement's all cleaned out, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna take this tool here. I'm gonna hang this up on that side of the wall. I'm also gonna take this, which holds our camping sign, and I'm gonna hang that on this side of the wall. So in the essence of time, I've already screwed those in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I did them with just one right here. All right? So what I've done is I've measured 7 inches down. I will take the Velcro strip and my screw it into the wall. What I'll do is I'll take this painter's tape to put the Velcro in place. And sorry for the motorcycle noise. Use my screw. So next, open up the Velcro. And that one's hung. So now we'll move to the other side and I'll show you this tool. So since I've already done this side, I'm just going to screw this screw in a little bit more to show you how it's done. And now we have both pieces hanging up and off of the basement floor. So the next project that I wanted to do was to be able to get the broom from off of the basement floor and hang it up from the beams here. So what I've done is I've got some number 8 1/2 inch self-tapping screws, number 8 washers, and these tube straps. And what I've done was use a self-tapping screw and the washers inside. I measured 9 inches in, screwed those in, one on this side and one on that side. So what I have to do is take the broom and mount it from the other side.
Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice, cruising down the road, no thought getting old. The girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
Again, in the essence of time, I've already done that. So what we do is we take our broom, push it all the way through, and it's off of the basement floor. Another project done. Okay, so before I did this project, a few weeks ago, I tackled another one, and I'll show you that one. That's inside the front storage. What I did was purchased a blue yoga mat, cut the yoga mat to size, and put it inside the front storage. This keeps all of these items from moving around while we're traveling. It's a quick, simple, and easy project that anybody can do for their front storage and their fifth wheel. Another quick project that I've done is I take my cable wire and I have a small bungee cord with 2 hooks on the end that I purchased from Wal Mart. Hang that directly from here so it's not laying on the floor of the basement. Also, my level, I purchased this screw, this hook that screws right into the wall. And I keep my level up here. All right, now that that project's done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the tools and items that I use to get this stuff done. First, I have some Velcro strips that I cut into 4 inches in length. I used 4 of those. I've got some Everbilt number 8 1/2 inch screws that I used to screw the Velcro into the side wall. I used a Sharpie under here to show where I need to drill my screws into the metal here. And for that, I've used the galvanized tube straps, 2 of those, 1 on each beam. Of course, I have my safety goggles. I have Everbilt stainless number 8 washers. Also Everbilt number 8 1/2-inch self-tapping screws. I use the self-tapping screws for the galvanized tube straps so that I wouldn't have to drill pilot holes into the beams going across. Now these are very short screws, so it doesn't damage the beams that are going under your fifth wheel. Also, I use my measuring tape, painter's tape to hold everything in place, and of course, my trusty Ryobi cordless drill. All of these items I'm going to put into the description down below, so be sure to check it out, and we will see you back on the inside.
Okay, everyone, that actually concludes the video of him doing the organization of the basement. It actually looks great, and it makes it a lot easier to actually get to see things, find things, get to things without checking everything out and trying to find and put everything back in. So it looks really good, baby.
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to conclude right here. We want to say thank you for viewing our videos. We want to say thank you for subscribing to our videos.
Thank you.
And as usual, we hope that you give us that thumbs up. We want those thumbs up. It really helps us out in the long run. All right. Again, thank you so much for viewing our videos, and we hope you like the different scenery we have for you tonight. All right. So on that note, we're gonna once again say, here's hoping that you have
A wonderful weekend. And don't forget to subscribe.
And
it's
like.
free.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.